Good morning everyone. I am Dr. Deepak Inamdar, Senior Consultant, Orthopedic and Joint Replacement Surgeon at Apollo Specialty Hospitals, Jayanagar. Today I am going to talk to you about robotic knee replacement surgery. What are the advantages over the conventional knee replacement or the ordinary knee replacement surgery? See, robotic knee replacement surgery is the future. It's much more advanced compared to the regular knee replacement surgery. We take the help of one, a robotic arm, two, a GPS enabled computer console which helps us in guiding the knee replacement surgery as it's done, so that we have a real-time feel and picture as we proceed during the various steps of the surgery with regard to the sizing of the knee and with regard to the balance of the knee as we proceed. And at the end of the surgery, we have a very realistic and real-time assessment of the balance achieved post-operatively. This has many advantages over the regular or the ordinary knee replacement surgery. One chiefly being that it is less traumatic to the knee, as a result of which the patient has less pain and makes a faster recovery. Two, the patient has a more natural feel to the knee, as a result of which he has less pain post-operatively. Three, the sizing and the balancing is more accurate as we have a realistic assessment on table with the help of the computer and less pain post-operatively. Three, the sizing and the balancing is more accurate as we have a realistic assessment on table with the help of the computer and the robotics. Four, we achieve excellent alignment with regards to the knee implants which are being put. So the patient has better long-term results. So these are the advantages of robotic knee replacement surgery. We at Apollo Jayanagar are doing a robotic knee replacement surgery using the state-of-the-art Smith & Nephew Navio robot. In the next video, I will show as to how the robotic knee replacement surgery is exactly done with the help of an animation. Thank you everyone.